Just bought this cheap PLA, basic PLA from Amazon. It was about £8.50. I've seen a few people whinging about it, saying it's not very good quality, and a few people saying it is good quality, and a few people saying it doesn't stick to the build plate. So I'm going to give it a test to find out. This has been bought and paid for out of my own money. It is not sponsored in any way. So yeah, the only thing I don't like, I'll be honest, is the cardboard spool. I much prefer the plastic ones, but we'll see now if this fits in the Bambu P1S AMS. Seems a little bit tighter there. Oop. Yeah, it fits. It's taller than the other reels, as you can see, but there is clearance there, so I no doubt it's going to work, but there's only one way to find out. Seems to be printing absolutely fine. I did see on Amazon a few people reviewing it and saying it doesn't stick to the build plates, but all I can suggest is clean your build plate, because it's sticking to mine absolutely fine. And like I've said in previous videos, I have never used a glue stick. Quality looks very good, printing 100%, just as good as any other filaments I've used, even expensive filaments, so I don't see the problem. The filament was bought and paid for by myself. It was only about £8.50 I think on Amazon, but I will definitely be using this again. As you can see, it's printed absolutely fine. Stuck to the build plate really well. Don't know if the camera will pick that up, as it's not the best of cameras, but print quality is 100%. Very happy with this filament for cheap stuff. So yeah, I will definitely be buying more of it if Amazon keeps the price the same. So if you like the video, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video.